Om Namah Shivaya. Hi friends, how are you? In this video we are going to learn about packed cell volume. It is also called hematocrit. Packed cell volume or hematocrit. Okay. Hematocrit is the fractional volume of blood that erythrocytes occupy. Hematocrit is the fractional volume of blood that erythrocytes occupy. Hematocrit or packed cell volume is the amount of packed red cells following centrifugation. Hematocrit or packed cell volume is the amount of packed red blood cells following the centrifugation. When blood is centrifuged in a tube, the cells are packed together at the bottom of the tube by centrifugal force. As cells are heavier than the plasma, the hematocrit is a macroscopic observation by which the percentage volume of the packed red cells is measured. And hematocrit is therefore known as PCV, that is packed cell volume. Hematocrit is therefore known as packed cell volume. Packed cell volume is a reliable index of the red cell population. It provides useful information about the red cell mass, which is correlated with red cell count and their hemoglobin content. Okay. These measurements, packed cell volume, red cell count and hemoglobin content, are essential for determination of red cell indices that help in detecting and classifying the various types of anemias. And normal value and variation. About male, it is 46%, that is ranges 40 to 50%. Okay. In females, packed cell volume is about 42%, 37 to 47%. Next, hematocrit decreases in conditions of decreased red cell count and decreases and increases in conditions of increased red cell count. When cells are deformed, as occurs in spherocytosis or sickle cell disease, more plasma is trapped between the packed cells, which gives a false high result. Okay guys, this is about the packed cell volume. Okay, if you like this video, like, share and subscribe. Thank you.